If you have been struggling to grow your hair, you are having hair breakage, hair shedding, your hair is dull, your hair is strong, your hair is changing color, this hair butter is the best thing you would need in your hair care routine because it contains the most effective herbs and everything you would need to restore your hair back. So the first thing you'll be needing is shea butter. You all know that shea butter is very good and moisturizing for the hair. And then the next thing on our list is rosemary. Rosemary contains kenosis that helps repair tissue damages. Next we have moringa. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals. Star anise is the next thing on our list. Star anise contains shikimic acid that helps promote hair growth. Neem is full of fatty acid that promotes and aid hair growth. We have cloves. Clove is the best and the best of them all. So the next thing on our list is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains properties that helps protect the scalp from an infection. We have black seed. Black seed is amazing. It contains TQ and TQ is used to treat stress that causes hair loss. Now we have alma powder. If your hair used to be black and now it's turning gray for whatever reason, or if it is changing color, you need alma powder and clove. Those two will help your hair go back to its normal color. Then for our essential oil, I chose tea tree oil because I love it. And I'm going to be using this Sulfur Swift. It treats any kind of hair problem like dandruff, you have itchy scalp, you need that Sulfur Swift. I'm going to be using vitamin E as my preservative. Then I'm going to put in my shea butter into a pot, add 1 spoon of black seed, add 1 spoon of neem, add 1 spoon of fenugreek. I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of clove because you guys know I love cloves. Don't sleep on cloves, guys. I'm going to also be putting 2 spoons of moringa. Moringa is amazing. I have used this thing and I'm seeing the effect on my hair. 2 spoons of star anise. And then the next thing I'm going to be putting is rosemary. I put 3 spoons of rosemary because rosemary is my all-time fave. It does the job for me. The next thing I'm going to put in is kernel oil. I put 4 spoons of kernel oil. I'm also going to add 1 spoon of alma powder into this mixture. Like I said, alma powder will help you if you are losing your hair color. I'm going to turn this together because I'm going to be putting this on fire. Also, I'm going to be adding olive oil. I'm going to be putting this on fire so that it's going to melt, and I'm going to use low heat, guys. Low heat. When you put it on fire, please don't go and increase your gas so it will burn. You put it on low heat and it will slowly melt. After it is done melting, I use my sieve to sieve out the chaff because I want the oil to be smooth and not have any particles in it. Like I said, because I don't want any particles in it, I'm going to be using these cloths to strain it one more time so that I completely remove the whole particles in this mixture. So after I'm done straining this, I refrigerate this for about 45 minutes to an hour so that the oil can go back to its strong state. And this is it out of the fridge. I think I kept it in the fridge for about 45 minutes or so because I don't want it to be too strong so that I can be able to, whisk this. And I got this, my Sulfur Swift. Like I said, this cream is very good for people that are having different kind of dandruff and different itches on the hair. You need this Sulfur Swift. And what I'm just going to be doing is to whisk this mixture together. If you don't have a mixer, you can use your spatula or you can use the electronic whisker or whatever works for you. Just do. Then you need an empty container so you can transfer the mixture into it, like I'm doing right now. I transferred this into my empty container. When I'm done transferring my mixture into my empty container, I go ahead and add 5 drops of my tea tree essential oil and 5 capsules of my vitamin E and then I just mix that together. Once you're done mixing this, you've just successfully made yourself the most amazing and potent hair butter. If you use this consistently on your hair, I can guarantee you your hair will thank you so much for feeding it with so much nutrients. The problem is most of you believe that all these things don't work, but I can guarantee you they work. My hair is just 7 months and it is full, thick and black, and I always get compliments. Please subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips. Thank you.